Canva dropped a powerful new update. It could be your one-stop shop to start making some serious money. Is this you? You want to start a side hustle, but you're thinking, I don't have the energy, I don't have the time, and you're not about to put yourself on camera, especially if you work a 9-to-5 job where your boss is watching your social media like a hawk. Or you could just be an introvert where the thought of you getting on camera, putting yourself out there makes you anxious. But what if you could still build a profitable, purpose-driven side hustle without showing your face? Would you do it? In this video, I am going to show you how you can use Canva Video Editor to create faceless videos that are perfect for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, anywhere you want to put it. You'll be creating valuable content, staying behind the scenes, and building something that can grow into real income over time. And the best part, you can do it consistently, even with a full-time job. Let's head to the computer and I'm going to show you just how you can do this in 5 minutes. So once you're over here in Canva, you're going to hit create. Then we're going to hit video landscape because we're going to create this video for YouTube. You can also do for mobile video, which you'll be able to put that on any other platform like Instagram and short reels and so on. But we're going to do video landscape. Once you hit your video landscape, I want you to go over here and you're going to hit AI voice. You're going to hit this here, AI voice. They gave us these 4 AI voices that you can use. We have a Carol, a Lisa, Ralph, and a Richard. Let's see what they're sounding like.
Did you know emus and kangaroos cannot walk backward?
Okay, Carol.
Did you know emus and kangaroos cannot walk backward?
Did you know emus and kangaroos cannot walk backward? Did you know emus and kangaroos cannot walk backward?
So we're going to use Carol. And all you do here now, you're going to hit generate AI voice. Guys, this is very simple that you can do in Canva, but I feel as if it's very powerful, okay? So the voice is generated, and so now you see it down here. So let's listen.
Dear me, the day you almost gave up. I remember it like it just happened. You were exhausted, not just physically, but in your soul.
So she's sounding okay. For this video, I'm going to show you how you can use images to tell your stories. So once you have your AI voice, you're going to go back over here to Canva, and then you're going to hit this, honey. You're going to go and hit Canva AI over here. Then you're going to hit create an image. And then you're going to hit, make sure that it's in a 16:9 right here. You see in Canva it has different ratios. See, it has the 9:16 here for your short video for TikTok and so forth, but we're doing a 16:9. Then you hit generate. We're going to use 4 simple images to tell a story. This is a motivational video that we're creating. She's good. Let's use her, honey. Let's use her. And then we go back over here to our video. Then you're going to upload this onto your timeline to build your video out. So once you upload your video into here, you're just going to drag it. After you drag it, you're going to play it.
Dear me, the day you almost gave up. I remember it like it just happened. You were exhausted, not just physically, but in your soul.
Stop. Split it right there. Then you just build your video out. And then we're going to go back over to Canva AI again, drop our prompt in there, see what we get. And I'm using the animated style theme. I think it makes it a little different, easier to get nicer images. You don't have to, okay, what's going on with this little chica right here? Oh, Lord, she's naked. Oh, no, we can't use her. Have her panties showing and everything. You know what? Let's generate it again. So if you want to generate the image again, you hit reuse prompt, then hit go and see if we get something a little better. As you can see, guys, you see how quickly you can go through this by just grabbing image. See, I like this one right here. So we're going to drag and drop it right where you split it, guys, right there. What I want to do here now, I'm going to see if I could add some music. And what you also could do, you could animate these pictures by doing this here. You could go here and hit animate. Maybe you could do a pan in, right? You could do that for the first one. Then for the second one, maybe you could do a drift. Okay, so we can go here. We could click, maybe we could search for some ambient music and see if what we get with that. See what this sound like. Okay, let's try this. So add that to it. So you could find music in Canva. So I'm going to put a message at the end. So you're just going to hit right here where it says add a page. So a page was added. Then you could change the color. And then you could add a text right here. You add your text like this. Then I have my little message here that I want to drop in here. Okay. Then you could use different type of font. Okay, let's see how this sounds.
Dear me, the day you almost gave up. I remember it like it just happened. You were exhausted, not just physically, but in your soul. Tired of smiling when everything felt heavy. Tired of fighting battles no one could see. And most of all, tired of pretending you were okay. You thought about walking away from everything, the dream, the job, the version of you that kept hoping. But you didn't. You cried. You sat in silence. You broke a little more. And then, you got up anyway. Maybe not strong, maybe not certain, but you stood, and that was enough. I'm proud of you for surviving that day. Because that day, it wasn't your ending, it was your turning point.
Now that you see how easy it is to create these faceless video using Canva, there's really no excuses. This is what I call a simple side hustle that one can start even if they work a 9-to-5 job. No camera, no talking, just storytelling. Listen guys, everyone has a story, and guess what? There are people out there waiting to hear your story. So why not turn your story into income? There's power in your voice, even if it's behind the scenes. Now that you know how to bring that to life, you might want to check out my next video where I'm talking about imposter syndrome. I will see you in my next video.